Okay, for number 5, Marion's mother has 60 cookies and 42 pieces of fudge. What's the largest number of boxes they can make? How many pieces of fudge are in each box? And how many cookies are in each box? So first of all, we're going to have to find out what's the largest number that we can make. And that's going to end up being our greatest common factor. So we can do that 2 ways. One is to list all the factors of 60 and 42. So if we wanted to do that, we could do 1 times 60, then divisible by 2, 2 times 30. 60 is divisible by 3, so 3 times 20. 60 is also divisible by 4, so we get 4 times 15, divisible by 5, 5 times 12, and 6 times 10. So those are all our factors of 60. Well, we have a lot of them. And then for 42, 1 times 42. Then it's even, it's divisible by 2. 42 divided by 2 is 21. 4 plus 2 equals 6. And since 6 is divisible by 3, therefore this is divisible by 3. So 42 divided by 3 one time, which gives us 12, 14. So 3 and 14. Then divisible by 4. We're going to see it might look like it is, but it is not. It's not divisible by 5. It is divisible by 6, 6 and 7, and of course there's no numbers between 6 and 7. So now we can actually go through and we can find out which ones they have in common. They have a 1 in common, a 2 in common, a 3 in common, a 6 in common, no 7, no 14, no 21, and 42. So 6 is our greatest common factor. Now, we could also do the greatest common factor by using a factor tree for each of these. This is 6 times 10. 6 is 2 times 3. Both of those are prime. 10 is 2 times 5. Both prime. So we have 2 times 2 times 3 times 5, or 2 squared times 3 times 5, and 42 is 6 times 7. 7 is prime. 6 is 2 times 3. So we can see we have 2 times 3 times 7. So now we're going to look for what they have in common. To look for what they have in common here, we can see they each have a 2 and they each have a 3. So what they have in common is 2 times 3, which is going to equal 6 as our previous one. So we're going to have 6 different boxes. Okay? So we know at this point that we're going to have 6 boxes. So we can go ahead and take and we're going to make each of these, and we're going to divide each of these into 6. So if we go through, we now have a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 boxes. Our first one that we have that we're going to take a look at is our cookies. We have 60 cookies, and if we put 60 cookies into each box, 60 cookies divided up would be 10 in each box to equal the total of 60. And then for 42 pieces of fudge, 42 divided by 6 would be 7. So we would have a total of 6 boxes, and that we would have in each box, since we have 60 cookies, we would have 10 cookies in each box, and we would have 7 pieces of fudge in each box. So find the greatest common factor, and then go ahead, draw it out, and do your division so you can see what it is that you have.